Hi, my name is Drew Amend with Wichita Hypnotherapy. And on this page, you can book an appointment for a session, and you would be booking that appointment with me. A single session is always 2.5 hours. And the reason why is because during that first session, we're just going to talk for about an hour. And there I'm going to get whatever kind of information I'm going to need to do the hypnosis for whatever reason you're coming in for that day, whether it's stop smoking, sports performance, motivation. And I'm just going to gather some information about what your motivations are, what your triggers are, what background information there is that might be relevant to the hypnosis session. And then in that remaining time, about an hour and a half, we do hypnosis. And that also may seem like a long time. But the thing of it is that the hypnosis session itself takes about 40 minutes just to do the induction. And that's to get you into that just perfect state of mind in order for us to do what we need to do. And that gives us about another 30 or 40 minutes to do what we need to do with the hypnosis. Now, below, when you book an appointment, you'll notice that for any date, Monday through Friday, there's only 2 times, 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. And it's because I only see 2 clients a day. These sessions can go 2.5, maybe 3 hours, but I only see 2 clients a day. And I prefer to start at 9 o'clock and then 1 in the afternoon. If you can't make one of those times, just text me. The number's here on the page. You can text me at that number to my cell phone, and we can work out a time. You could still book the appointment, but I would just mark it down for the time that you wanted to come in. Other than that, I prefer the 9 o'clock or the 9 a.m. and the 1 p.m. if possible. Also, for people who work Monday through Friday and are unable to come in during those times, I've got 1 session during the week, each week, at Saturday morning that I can book as well. And again, you would just need to text me about that. And when you book your appointment, you'll pay a $50 deposit, and then the balance will be due at the time of the appointment or after the appointment. Cash, check, or charge is fine. And that's kind of how that works. You'll pay a $50 deposit and the balance at the day of the appointment. And that's it. Anyway, I hope you find what you need on this website, and look forward to working with you. Take care.